Hello, my dear friends. Today, I want to tell you something important. It is about how to speak English fluently. Many people want to speak good English, but they don't know where to start. Fluency does not come in one day. It is like learning to ride a bicycle. You need time, balance, and daily practice. If you follow simple steps, you can do it. Work on them every day. Then you will speak English with confidence. Let me share my easy plan with you. I want to speak English fluently. Fluency means speaking smoothly without stopping too much. To be fluent, I need to practice every day. English is like a skill. The more I use it, the better I become. So, I make a plan to improve. I know this plan will take time, but I will not give up. Every day, I will take one small step forward. Even if I learn just one new word daily, I will still grow. I believe small efforts can create big changes over time. I will treat English like a daily habit, just like eating or sleeping. First, I will listen to English every day. Listening is very important. I can listen to English songs, podcasts, and simple stories. When I listen, I hear how words sound. I also learn how sentences are made. I will listen carefully and repeat some sentences. I will listen to one short video or audio clip many times. Each time, I will try to catch new words. I will also copy the way native speakers pronounce words. I will pay attention to their tone and rhythm. Sometimes, I will close my eyes and listen to focus better. I will also write down new words I hear and use them in my speaking. Second, I will read English. Reading helps me learn new words. It also helps me understand how words are used. I will start with simple books, short stories, or easy news articles. I will read slowly. If I see a new word, I will write it down. I will also try to guess its meaning from the sentence. After reading, I will speak the sentences aloud to practice pronunciation. I will read the same paragraph many times to build confidence. Reading aloud will also make my voice stronger. I will try to read at least one page every night before sleeping. Sometimes I will record my reading to check my pronunciation.
Third, I will speak in English. Speaking is the key to fluency. If I don't speak, I will not improve. I will talk to myself in English. I will describe my day in English. For example, I can say, I woke up at 7 a.m. I brushed my teeth. I ate breakfast. I went to work. I will make it a habit to speak every day. I can also stand in front of a mirror and talk like I am giving a speech. I will practice speaking for at least 10 minutes daily. Sometimes I will record my voice to check my progress. I will listen to my recordings and correct my mistakes. I will also try to copy native speakers' style of speaking. Fourth, I will practice shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating. I will listen to a short sentence. Then I will repeat it quickly, just like the speaker. I will try to copy the tone, speed, and voice. This will help me speak naturally and smoothly. I will choose short videos with clear pronunciation. I will keep repeating until I sound close to the original speaker. I will do shadowing for 5 minutes every day. This will train my mouth and tongue to speak English easily. I will also practice with English movie dialogues. Fifth, I will learn simple phrases. English is not just about words, it is about phrases. I will learn common phrases like, "How are you?" "What are you doing?" "Can you help me?" "I don't understand." When I know these phrases, I can speak faster. I will also learn polite sentences like, "Excuse me," or "Could you please repeat that?" These small phrases will make me sound confident. I will try to use them in real conversations with my friends. I will also memorize 5 new phrases each week and use them. I will practice these phrases in front of a mirror every day.
Sixth, I will write every day. Writing also helps speaking. I can write a diary in English. I can write 5 to 10 sentences about my day. Then I can read them out loud. This will improve both my writing and speaking. I will also write about my dreams and plans for the future. Writing will help me organize my thoughts in English. I will write short stories to improve my imagination and vocabulary. I will check my writing for grammar mistakes and learn from them. I will ask my friends or teachers to review my writing sometimes. Seventh, I will not be shy. Sometimes I feel afraid to speak. I think I will make mistakes, but mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes when learning. I will remember that mistakes help me learn. So, I will speak without fear. I will tell myself it is okay to make mistakes. The more I speak, the less shy I will feel. Confidence will come when I keep practicing. I will remind myself that every expert was once a beginner. I will smile and stay relaxed when I speak English. Eighth, I will think in English. When I think in my own language, I take time to translate. This makes me slow. I will try to think directly in English. For example, if I see a dog, I will say in my mind, "This is a dog," instead of translating. This will make me fast and fluent. I will try to speak my thoughts in English even when I am alone. This habit will make my brain used to English. The more I think in English, the easier speaking will become. I will practice thinking in English when I walk, travel, or wait in line. I will even try to dream in English by watching English content before bed. Ninth, I will join English conversations. I can talk with friends or join online groups. I can practice with people on apps like WhatsApp, Zoom, or Facebook. Speaking with real people will make me confident. I will try to join English clubs or online speaking classes. The more I speak with others, the more fluent I will become. I will not be afraid to ask questions if I don't understand.
I will also watch live English discussions and try to join them. I will share my opinions in English whenever I can. 10th, I will set small goals. I will start with 5 minutes of speaking every day. Then, I will increase to 10 or 15 minutes. Small steps will help me move forward. I will track my progress every week. I will celebrate small successes to stay motivated. If I keep going, I will see big results over time. I will make a checklist of my daily English tasks to stay focused. I will not skip my practice even on busy days. I know fluency does not come in one day. It takes time and effort. But if I keep practicing, I will see results. I will be patient and keep going. One day, I will speak English without fear. I will be able to talk to anyone in English. I believe in myself and I know I can do it. English will open many doors in my life. It will help me get better jobs and meet new people. It will also help me travel and communicate with the world.